English practice with Lengo cards. 10 action verbs with examples. Clap.
He claps after a good performance.
Talk.
They talk all day long.
Write.
James writes poems in his free time.
Read.
Annie reads books before bed.
Work.
He works hard to provide for his family.
Dig.
He digs a hole to plant a tree.
Play.
The kids play with toys every day.
Drink.
He drinks coffee every morning.
Eat.
She does not eat sweets after 7 p.m.
Cook.
The chef cooks a delicious meal.